The Delhi-Dehradun Economic Corridor was among the projects unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that years of hard effort had finally paid off and that these initiatives would help make this decade the decade of Uttarakhand. The Prime Minister utilized the upcoming state assembly elections to attack the previous government. The UPA government developed 288 km of national highways in Uttarakhand, whereas Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government built almost 2,000 km in the state in 7 years. The previous government spent roughly 600 crore in Uttarakhand, whereas his government spent over 12,000 crore in the same period. Modi told the gathering that his government had done all possible to strengthen the country from one rank, one pension to modernizing the armed forces. The Prime Minister also stated that Uttarakhand is one of the leading states in the country in terms of COVID-19 vaccination. The double-engine government was working hard to strengthen the state's health infrastructure. Uttarakhand has approved 3 new medical institutions. He also expressed his joy for laying the foundation stones for the Delhi-Dehradun Economic Corridor, which will assist in reducing travel time by half. The Delhi-Dehradun Expressway, which would reduce the distance between the two cities from 248 km to 180 km, and infrastructure development projects for Badrinath were among the main projects whose foundation stones were placed by the Prime Minister. Other projects include the Rs 1,700 crore Dehradun Paonta Sahib route. In addition, the upgraded infrastructure will minimize travel time and improve communication. It will also increase interstate tourism. The Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone for Dehradun's child-friendly city initiative, which would make the city's roads safer for children.
पहले की सरकार ने 7 साल में उत्तराखंड में केवल 288 300 किलोमीटर भी नहीं, केवल 288 किलोमीटर नेशनल हाईवे बनाए थे, जबकि हमारी सरकार ने अपने 7 साल में उत्तराखंड में 2000 किलोमीटर से अधिक लंबाई के नेशनल हाईवे का निर्माण किया है। उद्यमी भी आते हैं, प्रकृति प्रेमी सैलानी भी आते हैं। इस भूमि का जो सामर्थ्य है उसे बढ़ाने के लिए यहां आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर अभूतपूर्व काम किया जा रहा है। मैं अनेक सुविधाओं से जुड़े नए प्रोजेक्ट पर भी काम आरंभ हुआ है। भाइयों और बहनों, बेहतर कनेक्टिविटी और सुविधाओं से पर्यटन और तीर्थाटन को कितना लाभ होता है, बीते वर्षों में केदार धाम में हमने अनुभव किया है।
Subscribe Indian Journal to stay updated with the latest news.